welcome back to my channel. If you guys think I have a filter and I do not have a filter on, but anyways, in my last video you guys probably saw, or did I put it on my draft? I don't know, but yeah, guys must watch that video if I didn't put it on my draft. So I want to show you guys my squishies, and my sister is gonna get up to another 10 with me and squish it. This is so fun to play. And here's my dumpling. My mommy's now gonna wash, guys. And this, don't even mess with me. It's color changing. You guys know it. I see it's pink and now it's purple. But anyways, yeah. If you're so much, if you're so mature now, then I think it's time you grow up. I love to play with my squishes and follow so I hope I get 2 of this. But I'm not gonna, guys, I don't like when the people, I wanna make a video, but if I put 2 dumplings in, and then I don't like it, I only want to put 1 at a time. So guys, yeah. So guys, actually I don't want to do a night routine anymore. So I'm just gonna go scroll on TikTok, do some TikToks. And yeah, let's do an unboxing with my other squishy. Follow for part 2. Guys, I want the same one that I have now. I want this one. Guys, it's not part 2, it's the same day, but it is part 2. I'm recording in one video, so yeah. So here's my second dumpling I bought. And you guys wanna see my second bottom? Here's it. You see what happens when you do it. That's why I don't like when people touch it. So let's just get into it. If you guys saw that I wanted the same one and I do not like putting 2 dumplings in. So you guys look. Please. I'm trying to, I don't want to open it and I don't want to see it because it's very easy to open. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. Did I get, guys? I thought there was something, but I'm so shocked. I thought there was something in my face. It looks pink, guys, but it's actually purple. I told you guys.